nothing really exciting for today. We're gonna be heading out to get Janet's glasses since she got her eyes checked the other day. And then we'll just run around probably having some fun. I'm not sure exactly what the kids are gonna do. I think later today I'm gonna be going bowling with the men's group from church also, so that's gonna be fun. But yeah, follow us along on the vlog, guys. So what would you do if you had a chicken that poops money? What kind of money? Dollars? Like $1 bills? Like how often does it poop? $100 bills? I don't know.
You will be.
I would take care of that chicken. What would you do, Rylan?
We wouldn't eat that chicken.
we wouldn't eat that chicken.
We eat that chicken, we don't get no more money.
That's right. All right, get out. I mean, bye. What's up?
I got my new glasses.
Oh, those are your new glasses?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool.
Pretty.
Like it?
Yeah, they're pretty.
Yeah, those are cool. Let's see it.
You said that I would like it.
Yeah.
They're pretty.
So Rylan's front tooth is coming out, honey.
I know.
Now we'll show you.
It's like bleeding.
No, not really.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Do not.
Told me when I was
He's gonna
little.
pull his tooth out.
Like I really like to.
Do you want a Starbucks?
Yes. I don't know to ask me.
Let's go get some Starbucks.
You always get to see one chocolatey one.
Oh no, last time we got the brulee or something like that.
No, last time I got the
Yeah, it was.
No, it wasn't. It was like a. What is it? Like scotch or something?
No, well, butterscotch.
Yeah, it's scotch.
Something like that. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna get some real quick. I'll be right back. That line was huge. Psych. No Starbucks today. That line in there was freaking ridiculous. I'm not waiting that line. Sorry. We can go to Target. There's a Target over there.
Oh
Okay, let's go.
Let's go there.
Where my Starbucks at? Where's my Starbucks at, bro?
Look at that.
See what happened was. All right, so we're back home now. Just dropped off the coral that we picked up. I'll show you guys those later. And now we're gonna head over to Ikea. Right, Jaden?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do at Ikea?
I don't know.
Just look at stuff?
Eat?
She wants to go there to eat.
No, I don't, Mommy.
She does.
I don't.
Okay, we'll go there to eat. We're here now, and we're heading inside. It's a little chilly outside, but it's not too bad, right? Yeah.
My tooth fell out.
Show me your teeth. Let me see your teeth. Smile. Yeah. Good job. Boom.
It's right here.
That's. Are you putting a little piece of plastic?
I put it in there so it doesn't fall out.
You know the good thing about not having a TV? Dude, it's so crowded in here, man. Right? Is it warm in here? It is kind of toasty. It's like 30 degrees outside right now. It's supposed to snow this weekend. in there, wasn't it?
Yes.
Gosh. Ikea on Saturday is busier than any shopping mall in your area, hands down. It's crazy in there. Who would have thought that selling furniture would be that profitable and that popular in such a small place? Can't really blame them.
I think also too is the food. People
Yeah.
come here to eat.
They got really cheap, good food. It's not good, but it's better than fast food, I guess. Right?
Yeah.
Meatballs. What's even in a meatball?
What do you
Nobody
mean?
knows what's in a meatball. Could be the turkey, could be chicken,
I think it's turkey.
could be buffalo, could be deer meat, could be what do they have in Sweden? What's the animal? It's like a deer, reindeer.
Reindeer?
Who knows? That's something could be in that meatball, but it's delicious, and I really don't care what's in it. But yeah, we're heading home now. Good times. Crazy.
Are you a butthead or are you butthead?
I don't know. Am I a butthead? Get out of my face. Hey guys! So the kids got cactuses and they want to plant them. Show me your cactus.
I don't think these two are cactus.
They are. What does it say? This is a 6 succulents and I don't know.
Succulent?
This is a.
It's cactus.
This is a. Oh, that's a little bit heavy.
You guys
like-
can just like, if you guys want next time, we got to stir. You guys can get like little pebbles and put it in here.
Okay guys, I think that's good for the day. I'd like to show you something. We have, in the living room where we're at right now, this entire box of toys. All of these toys. All of them are for Matthew and the kids. But, the thing he wants to play with is a box. I don't get it. You having fun? Is it good? So me and Janet are now practicing our church songs for tomorrow. We really have to make sure we get these songs done because praise and worship is a vital importance at the church. After this, I'll be doing my studies for theology and reading up on the school for tomorrow that I'm teaching you. So here's a little taste of the songs we're doing. Okay guys, I just want to show you the corals real quick. This is that's one of the new ones. That guy's a new one. These guys are pretty cool. They're all tiny, so pretty much I'll be growing them out pretty soon. If you don't know what corals are pretty much water plants, but instead of eating sunlight, they actually they can eat like particles in the water and things like that, which is pretty cool. This is why I enjoy them so much. We're watching a movie now and then we're heading to bed. That's the end of the vlog, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great night. If you can, make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, if you like the video, smash that like button. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.